All right, this is exercise 19 on the Big Ideas assignment 10.4. I wanted to walk through how to correctly set up this problem and find your x and y values. So first, we know that the opposite angles are supplementary. So that tells us that 26y plus 2x equals 180, and 21y plus 3x equals 180. Okay. Now, the problem with these two equations is they both have an x term and a y term in the same equation. So, in order to be able to actually solve for x or y, we want to choose to rewrite one of our equations so that the x or the y variable is by itself. Right? So I'm going to choose this first equation here, and I'm going to solve for my x value, or get x by itself. So I'm going to subtract that 26y from both sides to get 2x equals 180 minus 26y. Then I want to divide by 2 on both sides to get x equals 90 minus 13y. I now know what x is in terms of y. So I can go to my second equation, and in place of that x, I can put what we just found. So I can put 90 minus 13y in place of x. Okay. Then I just have to do the distributive property here to simplify this a little bit. Okay, then I can combine my like terms, so those y terms would become negative 18y. Okay. Then I want to move that 270 over to the other side. So it's going to become negative 90. And divide both sides by negative 18 to get y equals 5. Once you have that answer, you can then plug that y value into this equation. So it would become x equals 90 minus 13 times 5. And then that would tell you your correct x value. Once you have both your x and your y values, make sure you are plugging those back into the appropriate angles to then find the actual angle measures.